So I got out of my work clothes and today I am cooking some baked okra and avocado with an egg in it. So it's gonna look pretty good after it's ready. And then I'm snacking a little bit on the Good Culture cottage cheese and some full fat whole milk Greek yogurt. I just opened this one up. Just had a little bit of it, so I would say, I don't know, maybe about 70 calories of that. I put some of this on the bottom of the pan so it won't stick. This is the biryani, the early harvest. And then I took out the full protein one because basically I fasted all day until now. Unless you got the layered latte, you know, so I just like trying to keep it to like one meal a day, I guess. You know me, I kind of do random things. I guess today was an OMAD day. But also kind of like a vegetarian where I'm not eating meat. There's some reasons for that. For example, I'm kind of trying to prevent myself from spending money so I can pay off my credit card the next paycheck, because I have about $1,900 in my credit card debt, and I can just pay it off once I get the next paycheck, which is in about a week. So I'm basically trying not to spend any more money on groceries. That's mostly happening, but there's like little things here and there. So anyway, this is the full protein yogurt, and as soon as I started eating this, I was like, I feel alive again. Like I can do something, you know. Whereas before, I kind of feel like you're dragging your feet when you're fasting and all that. But yeah, and then so I got the egg there, and hopefully I can show you the rest of it when it's done. Yeah. But yeah, I'm out of my work clothes which was over there, but I always put like different clothes on whenever I work or whenever I'm doing something else. I guess it makes me feel a certain way. I don't know, just my weird ways. But yeah, I'll show you the end result and show you some other things, I guess, of eating. Thanks for watching. All right, here it is. The 2 avocados with egg and the okra. I put some mushroom and some jalapeno on there, but yeah, this is my dinner. Thanks for watching. So here it is on the plate. Wow, it's really good in person. I want to break this egg for you to show how it is. So delicious. So freaking good. Oh yeah.